In this tutorial, we'll learn how to change the column type of attributes and measures for datasets as workbook authors in Fusion Data Intelligence or FDI. When creating a dataset, Oracle FDI identifies the data columns as descriptive attributes or quantitative measures. For example, in the HCM Employee Performance Data table, the data in the person number column is identified as a measure. However, this column should be an attribute because we don't need to perform any mathematical calculations. To change this, I'll select the Datasets tab to open the Transform Editor. In the Transform Editor, I can evaluate data quality, edit, cleanse, and transform data. I'll select the measure icon in the person number column and then select Attribute to change the column type. Once the data column type is updated, Oracle Analytics adds a step to the Preparation Script panel. The Preparation Script tracks the changes I make, allowing me to modify or delete changes to the data. In the same panel, I can use the column properties to make changes. I'll scroll and select the Assign Goals column. I can either select the attribute icon and change it to measure, or use the column properties to change to measure. Measure columns contain values that can be aggregated, such as salary or headcounts. For data type, I'll select text, then number. There are more aggregation options available for numbers than text. And finally, for aggregation, I'll select none and then sum. The column type automatically changes to measure. Oracle Analytics adds this change as another step to the Preparation Script panel. If I want to revert changes made to the data, I can simply select the step, edit, delete, or otherwise manage the step. FDI will keep a record of all the changes I made with the dataset. To change multiple columns to the same data type at one time, I'll click the metadata icon on the toolbar and repeat the previous steps. I can also select calendar year, calendar month, and job level to change the column type from measure to attribute. When I'm ready to save my data preparation changes and apply them to my data, I'll select Save. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.